Hey guys, so today we're gonna recreate Kylie Jenner's everyday makeup look. I tried to do my hair like hers and try to put like a cute little pink outfit because she's like all pink in her video, but she's wearing like Chanel. I'm pretty sure this is like Target, I don't even know. It's my sister's, not even mine. But anyways, if you want to see me do that, then keep on watching. Okay, that wasn't cringe. Okay, so I literally wrote down her steps on this. You can't even see it. Okay, whatever. But I wrote down the steps on this photo that I had because I didn't have a notepad. But yeah. So the first thing she starts off with is foundation. I'm gonna use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I'm not sure you can see that. And she starts off with a brush, one like this, like a flat kind of dense brush. And we're just gonna go in. Oh my god, I almost forgot my clips. She's wearing like these clips in her hair, and I don't ever use these, honestly. I just wanted to give you like the aesthetic of what she was doing. So yeah, honestly these don't even like hold my hair that well. I'm sure she has like the professional ones. I got these from my sister. Like I said, I look funny. I feel like I look like a little schoolgirl, like
ready to go to first grade.
That's what I feel like right now. Okay, whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off with my foundation. She does prime her skin. I totally forgot. She primed her skin with a primer, but I literally do not have any primer, so I'm just gonna skip that step. I am going to spray a little bit of setting mist. She doesn't do this, but I'm just gonna do this because my face is a little dry. So I feel like throughout the whole video, she tries not to put a lot of product on. She kind of likes a very, I'm over here acting like I know her. From the video, she tries to not put a lot of product on. It seems like she wants to go for a very natural yet glam look, which is very popular right now. It's like what all the Insta baddies are doing. But yeah, I'm just taking, oh that was kind of a lot, but I'm just taking a little bit and kind of doing this little motion. So now that that's done, you got a light layer of foundation. She actually blends it out with a beauty blender. I usually don't do this just because I feel like it's kind of blended out enough, but I'm gonna do it anyway since we're recreating her look. So after that, she moves on to concealer. I'm gonna use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. And if you haven't figured out by now, I'm not using any of her products because I don't have any of her products and I cannot afford that right now. So not that her products are like super expensive. I think they're actually pretty decently priced, but your girl is broke as a joke right now, so we're gonna use what we got on hand. Okay, I believe from the video she puts a little bit, you know, right here. And I'm using two concealers because one is really bright. I'm using this one to highlight. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige to highlight. Oh I just like squirted out. And I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in Caramel. Pretty sure she uses a beauty blender, but I'm gonna go in with this brush first and then I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender. After that, I'm gonna go in with my sponge. This is a flower sponge. Now that we got that done, she moves on to powder. She uses like 3 different powders, but I only have this one and it's actually keeping my mirror up. But yeah, I just use the RCMA original powder. Honestly, I think it's a little bit drying. I really loved it at first, but I kind of want to try a new powder. I believe she puts it on with a thing. But she goes in with like a pink powder and then she goes in with a translucent powder over it, just so the pink one can cancel out some of the dark circles even though she doesn't even have dark circles, but you know. But she doesn't put a lot, so don't put a lot of powder because this is like a minimal makeup look, you know what I'm saying? Okay, what do I have next? Bake on the nose. Okay, so I guess she already starts baking on the nose because that's what I have in my notes here. So I'm just gonna... It's kind of hard to do with this sponge, but we're doing it. Okay, honestly that was bad, but whatever, I don't care. She also puts a little line on here, but I feel like at that point I have powder all over my nose, but whatever, we're gonna try anyways. I'm just taking a random brush and okay. Hers looked very nice, mine does not. Oh my god, I look so dumb. Okay, whatever. Okay, now that we're moving on from the powder. Oh, she actually moves on to brows. So I hope, oh, something fell. I hope you guys really like my brows because I did them today, like literally today in the morning just for this video because she has very snatched brows. And I really wanted to recreate this makeup look to the fullest. So she goes in with a pencil. I forgot honestly what product she uses, but she goes in with a pencil and then she goes in with a powder, one of her powders. So I'm gonna go with a pencil first. Okay, I'm satisfied with my brows, so we're gonna keep it at that. Oh, after she does her brows, she goes in with a brow pencil, like those like white ones. I don't have that as well, so I'm just gonna go in with a matte like white. I'm using the shade, if it will focus, the shade Tempera, I think it's called Tempera, I don't know girl. I think it's called Tempera. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with that shade. So I really hope you guys cannot hear my mom's music. She's cooking and she always like be putting her cumbias on. Anyway, she just puts this like in the bottom. Alright, that's good with me. Okay, so after that she moves on to her eyes. Obviously she's using her Kylie palette, which I don't have, so I'm gonna go in with the Modern Renaissance palette because I love her. So she goes in with a cool tone brown and then a warm tone and then she goes in with a warm tone brown. So what I'm gonna use for the cool tone brown, I'm gonna use Raw Sienna right here. Hopefully that's in focus, but I'm gonna use that one. Just a little bit, just start off with a little bit, and she puts it more on her crease. So focus it right there. But yeah, you only want to start off with a little. We don't want to look super done up. That's not the point of this makeup. She also says she kind of blends it into the top of her eyebrow, just because her makeup artist Mario does that. So we're gonna do that too. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a warmer tone brown. So I just got my Jaclyn Hill palette, as you can tell. Oh, I'm gonna go in with this one. I have no idea what it's called, but this one right here. I'm gonna go in with that one and put it on my shade. Oh, that was a little dark. Okay, there's no going back now. We have to do it. Okay, I think that's good with me. After that, she takes even a darker brown, just like a little teeny tiny bit. So you want to take a more flatter brush and like literally just doop, like tap it in to a dark brown. I'm gonna use this one right next to it. Boop, literally tapped it, and then just put it on the edge, on the crease of my eye, right there. And then when she does that, she goes back in with her blending brush and literally and literally blends it out. Okay, so that's good because like she said, she does this in 10 minutes, so it doesn't have to be perfect. After that, she puts like a matte white or matte cream on the inner of her eye. So I'm gonna go in back with the Modern Renaissance, and I'm gonna go back with Tempera. Ooh, that took longer than I thought. Okay, whatever. After you get done with your eyelids, okay, next step is actually glitter. She doesn't do this all the time, but I think she's in her video she was promoting like her Glossier glitter. I don't know what she said, but she puts on a little bit of glitter if she's feeling it. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette Bling Boss, and I'm gonna go in with Glitz and Glam. It's like I think all of these are like kind of pressed glitters. So yeah, I'm just gonna so after that, she moves on to eyeliner. Okay, so I did a pretty dramatic wing. It's not thick, but it's long, which she said she liked, so we're just gonna go with it. I also don't think she takes her eyeliner all the way in, so I just stopped like in the middle. So do that. Okay, now that we got that done, oh, we're gonna take off the bake that we've had on. Okay, so after she does that, we're gonna move on to contour now. Again, I'm sorry, I like do not have anything. Okay, I don't have any contour with me, so I'm gonna use this raw sienna that I used for my eyelid, and then I'm gonna use a little brush like this and just kind of go on my cheeks. I know this is not the way to go, but just to give my little cheek a little something, you know. Yeah, my makeup look came out way more dramatic than hers. Oh well. Okay, now that we did our contour, we're gonna move on to, oh, she actually bakes underneath. That's good. Tap off. Oh my god, I can't about to die. Okay, now she takes the same eyeshadow she did before and she puts it under her eye. Use one of the warm tones or brown tones or whatever. I don't know what I'm saying. My camera's dying. I'm freaking out. Okay. Just put some on the bottom of your eyeshadow. Okay, then she dusts off the makeup right here. She does that. Then she finally moves on to blush. So I'm gonna do that. Where's my blush? I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Always Rosy blush. Again, she doesn't put a lot, so just don't try to put a lot, but you know, put enough or put however much you like. I don't know. I just added mascara. I forgot what time she added mascara, but you know, it wasn't that important, so I just added mascara right now. Last step is to highlight and do the lips. So for highlight, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild in Mega Glow, and she puts it on top of her cheek. She specifically says she does not like highlighter on her cheek, so put it on the top of your cheek. Okay, for the finale, so obviously if you're gonna do a kind of lip, you need to overline your lip. She doesn't overline her lips too much in the video, but you know, you have to overline. So I'm using the lip liner in Ever, and I'm gonna go in. After that, I'm just gonna go in with what is this? The Wet n Wild Mega Catsuit. I don't know, liquid catsuit in Give Me Mocha. And I actually think that came out pretty good, not gonna lie. And the last thing she does is put a setting spray. So I'm just gonna use the Florence spray. So this is my final makeup look. I do think mine came out just a little bit more glam than it's supposed to, but hey, you know, whatever. So if you like this video, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. If not, give it a thumbs up or comment. I love to comment back if you do comment. So anyways, hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you later. Bye.